Alright, so I got the XM put in. I took it out of my truck, installed it in here. I gotta clean all these wires up, but got it working, and I still gotta readjust a few things in the audio menu, but it's sounding pretty good. So
six figures, I'm you want it, you know what it is. I'm white fire, my pay's way, how you say it. I'm a, you don't want no problem, you know what it is. I get money, I got that big money, it's all you get from it, you know what it is. I'm a deal, nigga, gram you now. Remember, all player used to stand in the spot. 2 revolvers in my pocket, put your hand right down. Truck tapping, the car ain't got a number. You don't wanna know how much I'm making, just imagine a lot. You know I'm probably getting more than you would imagine. I guess. Listen, folks, you need to know if you understand me now. Always 6 figures, I'm so you want it, you know it. I'm waiting fire, my pay's way, how you say it. Drama, you don't want no problem. That drama, you know it. I get money, I got that big money. Niggas, I get from it, you know what it is. Riding in the car, you probably never seen the States. No idea how I'm creating, bringing the States. You can get a hard car for $1 million. Lucas, don't know who made $1 million a day. This you don't wanna see fancy, you wanna see what
but I'm loving this radio, how much it can do compared to my old one. The old one I wouldn't even take a satellite radio or anything, so I mean, I can go through here and check all the stations I have. It's been a couple years since I've had satellite radio, so I don't even know what all I have. Like liquid metal.
The influence on your children. Yeah, it's more than
There she go, that's the one I got to know,
But anyways, that's about it. Just thought I'd put a quick little update out there.